Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. I am getting ready to go fishing, but I figured I'd do a little video on something I've gotten a lot of questions about. It has to do with the last couple videos about my fly fishing and the rod that I'm using since it has no reel. So basically, here it is. I'll put a link in the description. It's called a Tenkara rod. And what that is it's basically a very small compact rod. It's perfect for backpacking, and it's like a regular old rod. It just basically comes right out, extends all the way, real nice. Anyways, it's this one's a 6-foot rod, so it's for really small creeks and stuff like that. And that's really it. I mean, after that, it's a basic fly line. I put on a floating all the way down to my leader, and then it's kind of knotted, forget that, but just a regular old fly. And then all you do is you cast it up creek, and make sure you're casting up creek because the trout are always looking up creek. And when you cast up creek, as the fly kind of floats down towards you, you basically slowly raise the rod tip like that and just kind of do that as it comes down towards you. And then when you see a trout bite, you have the tension, you just give a little tug, and after that you just hand reel it. You pull it towards yourself and then you reel the fish in by hand. I'll put some clips here of that so you can see a little more of that as well. I don't know if you can see them too, but got him. Got him. Oh, come here. You're okay. All right, guys. Take a look at that beauty. That is a beautiful fish. Got one. Oh, ooh, sorry, guy. It's a nice one. Got him. There we go, guys. Check that out. It's a nice looking fish. Anyways, that's it. Just a quick short video on the rod. Like I said, links in the description. If you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and of course click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thanks again for watching. Take care, guys. He came up and missed it a second ago and he wanted it bad. This is just unreal. That's a nice brown trout. Let's get him back in the water.